Yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Forgot about this trade. And I wanted you guys to see that when you came on, not nothing. Fuck's going on over there, guys? It's looking a little dumpy, but I don't know. First cup of coffee of the fucking day. Who's out there? Let's see, who the fuck is out here, huh? Who's out there? Welcome to the first official session of the Focused Degenerate Program, where you guys can do whatever the fuck you want. You don't need anyone's permission to do anything. You don't need to ask support. You don't need to ask support if you could have your account, your one account. You know what I'm saying? Let the Degen fam know that I'm fucking live. They want to come hang out. You know? In case they want to come hang out with their boy and the rest of the Degen fam. All the lovely people hanging out in the chat so far. I did not really get to trade all that much today. I'm kind of annoyed about that. But hey, it is what it is. So the reason why I'm short is because right here, we hit the 786 on this fib. It's an hourly. Well, no, it doesn't matter. It's just a fib I took from the high here to the low here when we opened for the New York Open, I guess. And we've been fucking slowly grinding all the way back up. And we came back up to it, and look, we rejected off of it. Now, I don't know if it's going to keep going down. Obviously, we might come to the top orb. This is the extended hour session. This is the New York session orb. And we got a ways to go. And all we've fucking been doing lately is just going up. So I don't know. I could be wrong. But this is my fucking expert account. This is my funded futures expert account that I passed in one day. So we'll see. Let me just let everybody know I'm on if they want to come hang out. All right, who's out there? Let's see who's out here. All right, who's here? Who's here? Who's here? I'm only in one. I didn't go heavy. I can't take a payout on this account for 14 days. So I don't need to fucking try to just go crazy in one day and try to get a day one payout. I don't have to trade for 14 days. Ezekiel, what up? Big Key, TJP, Bowser, Marco, Ronnie, JK, Newts. I'm sure there's other people, bro, but thank you. Mostly gentlemen. Cyberpie, 828. Keegan, Trending World. Oh my God, that fucking blows, bro. That blows, Newts. Man, it always seems to be those third-party fucking copy traders that fucking fuck up. My concern, though, right now is that we keep making higher lows. But we're also not making higher highs, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Rick, JW. Man, if I had a nickel for every fucking time someone said that on my stream, every day, it's every day the price action is dog shit. Just about, right? Until something cool happens. Lock in 2100 and trade iffy and funding ticks. Nice. Franny, Caleb, pound that confetti like roast beef for Trending World, aka Wolf of Golly. Caleb, Tony. I know, bro. Caleb, I miss being out there too. I'm just too loud. It drives my wife crazy. Like if I knew she wasn't going to be here, Anytime I know no one's gonna be out there, I'll hang out there, which is hardly ever because there's always someone around. Uh-oh. Great way to start this account. I did have how many points? But look, what are we doing? We're just fucking chopping around here. I had 7 points, which is like 140. Now I'm in 2. Too bad I didn't go in with 5 and get 7 points. That would have been fucking cool. New credit life. No, it's been like this for a while. Basically, it's all driven by fucking Trump. At least it appears that way. When there's no news going on, like he makes news, especially with all this tariff shit. He fucking says something and the market reacts. Mystic Orb Trader, what up, bro? Gator Trader. Chilling, man. Change your name. So funny. Like, I'm cool with that, bro. Whatever you want to do, it's your fucking account. But like, people change their names all the time. I'm ZERODAYJAY. You heard? This is where we jerk each other off. Yeah. Big key. Salty Sailor, what up? Yeah, that was crazy, right? Which time? Was that, are you talking about the New York session? Because literally the same exact fucking thing happened during the overnight. I streamed during Asia last night, and the same fucking thing happened. And I was in the same Bolinox accounts. Although last night I didn't come within a few $100s of blowing the accounts. Trendline Traders, what up? The trend wasn't your friend. Is that what happened? Hot Shot, Spider Lily, Shari, Live Free, Jake G. I know, dude. I know. Oh, here we go. Drop it. Dump that shit. Maximus, Hot Shot. It wasn't even the cop trade. I had the trade of 8 up and could have just exited. You had 8 accounts going. It didn't. Shit's annoying, bro. Shit's annoying. Feed 33. It sucks, bro. I'm sorry that happened, man. That fucking blows. Monica. This is an expert account. Correct. McLovin. Just look at this expert account. Just look at it. Sometimes when you see it, you just have to look at it. Armando Cifuentes. What up, man? What up? One Stop Trader. My name is Jeff. Slick Rick, the ruler. It's okay, bro. I'll let it slide. Quang. What up? What up? Vince, Zach, Mamba, Matty Matt. Yeah. I'm not. Tyler. Just caught gold longs, huh? You like trading gold? Oh, my God. That's how I passed my expert account. I was trading gold. Yo, anytime I trade gold, it's never this fucking smooth in either direction. It's always like it starts coming up here, then it goes all the way down here, then it goes back up, then it goes all the way down here, then it goes back up. How many ticks was this? 68, 60-something fucking ticks. Come on, drop it. El Sweet, what up? Doom Lord. Yeah, that's what a lot of people say, Monica, about the expert. You know, it's just, if they're expensive and you got to grow them bigger just to pass them. So a lot of people, myself included, have shied away. But I took advantage of my Funded Futures 50% off deal. I used my one 50% off purchase on this 50K expert, and I passed it in one day. You don't have to pass it in one day, obviously, but you know me. I'm going to try. I'm going to give it the old college effort. And you can save 50% off any My Funded Futures account if you haven't bought any yet this month when you put in the best code ZERODAYJ. Kenny, what up? Willie Trades Futures. Leg day at the gym. Yo, I did legs yesterday. Well, I did it like full body. I did Bulgarian split squats with dumbbells. Well, that's really the only way you can do it unless you go body weight. But Bulgarian split squats and AB combo with kettlebell swings, but I just used the dumbbell, one of the dumbbells I was using for the split squats. I did that for 3 sets. And then I did incline bench press, slow on the way down, fast on the way up. and then right into chest supported rows, same thing. Slow on the very slow on the negative, like 3 to 5, like 4 or 5 seconds on the negative, and then a fucking, you know, a fast push or pull, depending on which way I was going. Some scat pulls, some dead hangs, you know. Jonathan Trentwell, Bitcoin ripping new all-time high. I can't wait for XRP to get to 1,000, yo. Ha, Doom Lord, I was doing your split squats, bro. Damn, look at this fucking 5-minute 21 being such a little fucking cuck. The 5-minute 21, man. It bounced off of it 1, 2, 3 fucking times. I'll tell you one thing. If it gets below the 5-minute 21, I would say at least here 24, but I'm thinking more like 13 or even the VWAP. Yeah, the power hours. It's all trash, bro. It's all fucking trash. MOBA Ben, what up? Hi, Newts. Yeah. This shit is slow as fuck. I'll show you what I got going on though. Drop it. All right, let me show you what else I got going on while we sit in this fucking trade. What up, Mill? Tickle. Nayo. All right, what the fuck is... Vince, you want to trade some Cambodian breast milk for evals? Let's do it. J Stores. Crankberry. YM was the place to be today. I'm still trying to figure out how to trade the NQ. Pine Tree. McLovin. I think you could do it. How hard can it be? All right, so while we're sitting here in this fucking short, let me show you what else I got going on. So last night, this is just an eval. I streamed last night during Asia, and I had to trade. I wanted to get day 9 locked in. Of course, I go down big. Same type of trade. I'm in short. First of all, I went long first. My first trade was to go long. And then we had this little dump, and then we popped. And, of course, my original take profits got hit. Of course. But then I went short, went down, added, went down more, added, went down more. And then finally it dropped. And just fucking real fucking life here. And then I'll show you. This I did yesterday. Here it is. Look at these accounts. 617 on the leader. Look at this shit. I'm fucking right fucking there. These are Bolinox accounts. Jesus Christ. Fucking dogs, yo. Barking like crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I just need one more day on the leader, and I need one more day on the follower. The follower is at 52.90 in profit. Imagine this was a take profit trader account. You're fucking getting paid. So we'll see. One more day. How hard can it be? Corey, what up? Just ain't right. Donna. Yash. Looking forward to seeing my trade day trading. I don't know if I'm going to trade that today, though. We're not even, nothing's even happening right now. This is garbage. I still have to activate them. I also still have to activate. Oh, wait, let me show you one other thing. And then I have I have my third funded account right here. This one, I got day 4 in. This one was easy compared to the other fucking trade. This one was easy compared to the other 2 accounts. So I'm 4 days in with this funded account. I am 9 days in with these, with the leader and the follower. How hard can it be, guys? If I am able to fucking get the payout, if I am able to clinch the payout, that will put me over 10,000 for the month. Last month, I did just under 7,600. The month before, I did just under 18,700. Maybe I could, just maybe, I might beat my best month ever, which was just in May. But we'll see. It's still early. A lot could happen. What else did I do? Well, I'm in this fucking trade still. That's all I did in my funded futures. And then right before I hopped on the stream, I was fucking, I had physical therapy this morning, all this shit. I got those 3 funded Apex accounts that I got paid on already. And today would be day 3. And while I was moving a fucking treadmill from the garage back into the house, after my wife had me move it out of the fucking house into the garage a few months ago, because those are fun to fucking move around, right? Especially when you want to fucking try to catch a trade. I went short in my Apex account. And I got another day locked, day 3 locked on the new round of 8 days with these previously paid funded accounts. We're fucking so close. So fucking close. Look at that. It pays to be in the Focused Degenerate Program. It pays. Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? It's a trap. What up? Neil. Hey, fucking Neil. What's good? Chopsticks. Roa. Max payout land for you tonight? Fuck yeah. Pound that confetti like roast beef. Pound that shit. Yo, who cares if it's just one account, man? It's fucking $2,000. That's all that matters. And then these are the ones I passed yesterday. I got to activate these too. What the fuck is this shit? Garbage. What's gold doing? Gold kind of stalled, but it did go a little higher. Just fucking give it up already. And then my trade day accounts, I have to activate my funded accounts. I have not done that yet. Although I want to. P Shenanigan, what up? Renee, what's good? TD Trades. Jay Jackson, whoo, just ain't right. Mwah. Have I tried funding ticks? It's the best firm now. Didn't they just launch in the futures prop space? They're brand new. The only reason I know about funding ticks is because PW was promoting them heavy. I know don't they have a presence in the Forex space, and then they came over here. A lot of prop firms in the Forex space have been fucking sliding into the futures space. Looking for some new fucking suckers, huh? Yeah, you know me, Monica. If you know me at all, you know I don't fuck with new prop firms. They are solid. How do you know? Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. What up, Eddie? How do you know they're solid? Maybe they're solid in the fucking Forex space, but we don't know if they're solid in the future space yet. Okay, so did Top One. People don't like trading with Top One in the future space. Tyler, you know what I'm saying, bro? Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Well, that's good. I hope they don't rug pull anybody in the future space. I ain't fucking with them. Not anytime soon. Alfred, what up? Top One had a fucking bankroll. Funded Next had a bankroll in the fucking Forex space. Florencia, Robin. I remember when Kellyanne said that fucking fast track slap chop is the best prop firm. She said that about Thrive too, maybe. She probably said Thrive is going to be the best prop firm. And then 35 days later, they went on the business. They went out of business. They went under. I'll try funding ticks in a year, maybe. Yeah, FTMO incoming, another one. How are they? Do they fuck people out of payouts on that side? You know what I mean? We don't know anything about them. I don't. You're going to love my nuts. Findy, what up? Yeah, I hear you, Tyler. I just don't I don't care what they did over there. I don't give a fuck what they did over there. Wait till the Sharks start fucking swimming in their waters. The futures Sharks. Let's see if they can fucking withstand that, and then we'll talk. F4, what up? FTT, such a great ROI. Matt O'Rourke. Yeah, no, yeah, exactly, bro. Trader Bob, what up? Dildzik. Knock knock. Yeah, I'm not saying that there's not room for them in this space. I just think I don't give a fuck what they did elsewhere. It is helpful to have a bankroll though. Having a bankroll, that's what a lot of these prop firms that didn't last more than 35 days, 6 months, 3 months. That's like you need to have that money. You can't be relying on new money to come in to pay old, the payouts. You need a bankroll first. And then with that bankroll, you use the bankroll to sustain figuring out how to optimize your fucking prop firm for sustainability. You can't fucking have it the other way around. Mikey, yes, sir. Yo, I got it for 50% off. It was the same price as it was less than a full price starter plus. I paid $113 for it, bro. Gian Rich. Yo, Chuck Boris Norris, bro. 984 got hit on the fucking money like an hour later, an hour and a half later. And then it ended up dropping lower. But I remember it hit 984, and the first thing I thought of was you while I was in the shower scrubbing my balls. So good call on that. Is that did you hold it? Do it again? Oh my God. Yeah, Tyler, exactly, bro. And that's all. Do I want I hope they do well. We need more competition. More competition gives us better opportunities and more, better prices. They get competitive they have to get to compete on price. So that's good. Forces Apex to maybe do more 90% off sales. You know what I'm saying? So I'm all for it. I just don't like trying new prop firms until they establish themselves in the space. If I ever try them. I still Trade Iffy at this point, they're a solid prop firm. I just don't fuck with them. But I have other reasons why. Look at this. Brand new. Oh, man. Can we keep going lower? I called this right here, 24-ish. We need to get lower than this. I want more. I want it to fucking dump. I don't want to come back up. Well, oh, my God. You fucking piece of shit. It did. It basically came to where I said, a little bit higher. This is this right here is resistance. You have this right here. This little fucking wick right here. These candles became support. This right here. I hope that's not I hope that doesn't really it is all that it needs to fucking go back up. Because I fucking want to have I mean, I'm only in 2, obviously, but I would like to have $1,000 day on my first day. Be a good start, right? End of day drawdown. But I know what's going to happen. I'm going to fucking put my stop here because I don't want to fucking give all my gains back. And what is it going to do? Come back and hit the 34? Kevin Tobias, what up? What happened? What'd they do? What'd they do? Is just your account got fucked up or just they were fucking around? Did they try to put you in the Focused Trader program? Don't worry. The Focused Degenerate program is open for all. Come on, get lower. Get lower. Drop it low. Touch your toes. Let's go. Touch your toes, NQ. Mikey. Am I an expert? Still guessing. It's funny how someone actually on their own stream, and I like them. I think they're cool as hell. No issues with them. They actually really believe that I really guess my way in and out of trades. It's just a saying because some douchebag commenter said that. And I proceeded to get another what? $80,000 worth of payouts since they said that or more. Have I crossed? I don't know if I crossed 100,000 in payouts yet. I'm getting close though. It's definitely, come on. Well, we hit that first target I was talking about. Can we go lower?
Sorry to interrupt. Did you see that you got a refund request on eBay?
What? Which one?
From Mitch.
What was it? This motherfucker. All right, I'm looking right now.
Oh, okay. Because I figured.
For the gold?
Yeah.
What a piece of shit. How do you fucking return gold? What's the problem? Doesn't match description of photos. It's a fucking 1/20th ounce fucking, what a jerk off. Okay.
We have to send it back.
Yeah, let's see if he does.
Well, he doesn't get a refund unless you send it back. He sends it back. That's what it says in the email from eBay.
Yeah, let's see if he sends it back. What a piece of shit. What's the description? It's a 1/20th ounce proof gold Libertad. What's the fucking description? Doesn't match. What a dumb fuck. It had copper spots, which had not an appearance or description. Okay, fuck you. Well, it's more gold for me. Was that it? Drop it lower, you fuck. Anyway, sorry for the interruption, guys. JC Trades, Bacon, Alfred, we're trading the expert account. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Are you fucking kidding me? How many points? That's 7 points. That's $280. Yo, how much was I up? Fucking piece of shit. Fucking piece of shit. Now it's going to dump. Now it's going to fucking dump. What was it? What did I get taken out at? 31. Damn, it went down. So I had like $700 or $800. Am I going to give it all back now? I knew that was a key area, but I didn't think it was going to bounce there. I thought maybe it would just be a temporary fucking hold and then it goes down lower. We'll see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is there news? Eric J, what up? What up, Mitch? Yeah, he said there's copper spots on it. Shut the fuck up. There ain't no fucking copper spots on it. Long and strong, huh? Alfred. Doesn't make me an expert. Doesn't make me an expert. Not all of my fund the futures offer 2,500 in drawdown. The starter plus and the expert don't. They're 2,000 on the 50Ks. I mean, we're retesting the bottom orb here, but at the same time, we hit the bottom. This is the extended hours. This is all day since the reopen, and then this is the New York Open, and we literally went down to the bottom orb and bounced off it. So that fucking blows. This shit is moving so fucking slow. So I had 800 bucks and now I have nothing. Good thing it's not trailing. It's end of day drawdown, so it is what it is. It's not the end of the world. It wasn't a bad spot to see. I got to pay better attention. Like, I got to remember to look because I love playing the orb. I've been paying more attention to the New York orb, but I don't pay enough attention to it. So that's where we literally bounced right off the bottom orb there. How many points are we up? 15? It's not even a lot, but we'll see. I'm probably, yeah. Let's see what happens here. T. Cooper, Zoe, gain weight. Yeah. Right off the fucking bottom orb, bro. Well, there was my chance to get out for less of a loss. Let's see if it retests the bottom orb. That would be awesome if it retests it. It just drops. Let's see if the 34 is going to be a little bitch and get in the way. Let's go. More. More. I wonder if it's going to hit this and bounce off the 521. More. Oh, right. It literally bounced right off my fucking entry. My average entry. Yo, why does that happen? That happened to me so many times last night when I was streaming during Asia. Fucking shit would come back to my entry and then bounce right off of it. Like it fucking knew. It's like, yeah, fuck you, Jay. Zayback, what up? Bacon. Come on. Get the fuck down there. Retest the bottom orb, yo. I would love a retest of the bottom orb. No? That it? Ah, you fucking piece of shit. This is so... I feel like I'm trading Asia right now. It's so fucking slow and boring. It's awful. We need to make Power Hour great again. Drop it. That was my fucking chance, man. That was my chance. It literally came, look, it came right to my entry. My average fill. And just fucking bounced right off it. What is that? 3250? Is it the upper the VWAP band on the fucking New York NQ? Is that what it is? Well, it's the same here too. The upper, no, it's not. This is, well, whatever. Fucking bullshit. This shit is awful, yo. Come on. That was my chance. Yay. Yay, I'm not green anymore. Yay, let's see how much I'll get down once I get stopped out. Yay, I got mail. Awesome job. Awesome job. I'm the best fucking trader on YouTube. The best fucking trader. The best streamer. I had 800 bucks down here. But who needs that? Who needs 800 bucks when you could have negative 150 or more? Negative 300. Negative 400. Well, at least I'm back green now. At least I'm back green. Watch it fucking dump. This has happened to me a lot of times in the recent past. I go fucking red as fuck in a trade, and then it comes all the way back. I don't know if it's going to happen this time. But it's just interesting. I find it interesting. It looks like an inverted head and shoulders. Whatever. I get taken out here. If anything, I'm at break even. Oh, it literally came up. It just shot up just to take me out there. But look, you got like an inverted head and shoulders here. Whatever. Celebrity Watch, what up? Negative balance builds character. What up, War? What up, No? Dildick. Yeah, it's so annoying when that shit happens. It's great. Oh, did I just get fucking top ticked? Where's my average fill was right here. 32.75. Let's see how far that. Let's see if it goes there. I got top ticked. I just got fucked. Amazing. This fucking shit moves around so dog shit. What up, wiser than most? Dep 5. Yeah, every day is like this. Road Dog, what's good? Every fucking day. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Smash the like button. Neil, top ticked. I do the top ticking. Look at me. Look at me. I am the top tick king now. Code, what up, motherfucker? Yeah, they want people that are going to, they're not the only ones who did it, right? They want people that are going to produce regularly. Hydra. Regularly and consistently. Trevor LeConte, tell him. Storm, what up? Looks like a bull on the 5. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it. Look at this. All right, almost back to my entry. Are you fucking serious right now? Oh, I was right. Look at that. Look at that. Are you fucking kidding me? Let's go long. Oh, there's one. Let's go long. Let's see how far down it goes. I love going against my rightness. I love getting top ticked, and then it goes against my rightness. Watch this shit fucking dump. But I'm long anyway. Fuck it. It came down to this bottom of this fucking range, the 5-minute 21. I feel it fucking coming, man. I just feel it. It literally, I'd be green right here. When it came down here. My average fill was where I'm in long right now is where I was in short and then I got top ticked. Fucking crazy. I bet it dumps now. I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do. Nobody knows. But because I'm in long and I wasn't short and I got top ticked, I know it's going to dump. That's how it goes for me. And I should know better. You would think I would know better by now. How many points is that? 2.5 points? No, 1.5 points. Let's see if this fucking shit holds here. Fucking bullshit, bro. Oh, man. This shit is too funny. Why? Look, I got taken out of the short here. Yeah, I was fucking right. Oh, my God. How fucking annoying. How fucking annoying. Tony Gold, what up? Amazing. I was fucking right. Going against my rightness. What else is new? Fucking annoying, bro. So fucking annoying. I would have had 5 points, 6 points. 6 times 6 is 360. Would I have taken it all? I probably would have trailed, just being happy that it came back down. And I let myself get taken out. I moved my stop down and it literally flashed up to it, took me out, and then fucking dropped. It's the same fucking shit. Once I fucking stop doing this, I will be fucking unstoppable. Amazing. Once I stop doing this, I'll be unstoppable. It's just so fucking funny. So funny. I was right. But it had to do this first. Last night with Bolinox, earlier during the earlier New York stream I did with Bolinox, now it's happening here. I was fucking right. Look at that shit go. Retesting the bottom orb. Oh, there it is. How many points was that? 32.75. Damn. 12 points. 12 fucking points. 12 fucking points. 12 points times 60. It would have been another $700. I'd be up $1,000 right now. 1,100. It's like, just fucking hold, Jay. Just fucking hold. I literally got fucked so hard just now. And I went against my rightness. It's the same fucking shit. 7 money bag. Yeah, it's fucking funny. Oh my God. How much lower can it go? How much lower can it go? I was fucking right. I love being right and still fucking myself. It's the best. Yeah, let's go full. Now we're in full. Let's see how fast I can blow this account. So fucking stupid. I'm so fucking annoyed. It's the same fucking thing every fucking time. Anytime it happens, it's when I do this. Any fucking time it happens is when I do this. Such fucking bullshit. Can't wait for this fucking. We all know it's going to be a red candle. We all know it's going to be a red candle on the 50-minute. It's going to be the biggest red candle we've seen in fucking months. Because I'm in long and I'm fucking. It's going to be just enough to blow the account. Yeah, I'll put a stop here at the bottom of this fucking wick. Let's see. Here we go. I fucking told you. I told you. Go back down. Amazing. I fucking told you guys. I was in fucking short at 32.75. I was in short here too. 32.75. Shit, 24 points with fucking 3. 24 points with 3. 24 points at 6. No, it's like $1,500. Blow this fucker. I don't want it anymore. Almost. Go ahead. So fucking annoyed. I had 800 bucks here. I was around 400 bucks when I entered that short. I got fucking top ticked. Then I go against my rightness. I was fucking right. I was fucking right. Damn, I'm right so fucking often, and somehow I still find a way to fuck it up. How often do I? There we go. Peace. Peace. Well, there goes my expert account. Fuck that shit. Don't want it anymore. Don't fucking want it anymore. Fucking bullshit. Look, it's going to go all the way to the fucking VWAP. Who was fucking right? Just remember who was fucking right. And I go against it like a dumb fuck. 32 fucking 75. 30 fucking points. 30 fucking points. 30 fucking points. What a fucking waste. Let's blow them all. Unfucking 30 fucking points. Why did I go get? I let myself get fucking top tick like a little bitch. Well, I'm never getting another expert account again. Not unless they do another 50%. Let's blow these two. Fuck it all. Fuck it all, bro. Look at that drop. 40 fucking points. 42 points. I was in short at 32.75 and I got fucking top ticked. It flashed up and took me out, and then I went against it. What a dumb fuck. I'd be up like fucking $3,000 right now in this fucking account. Amazing. Fucking amazing. Long and strong my fucking ass. Yo, I fucking had that shit. I'm so fucking stupid, man. 786 held out. 786 right here. Unfucking believable. Unreal. Good thing I'm one day away from getting another $3,000 for the month. Fuck that one account. I was fucking right, though. I was fucking right. This is the problem I'm working on fucking overcoming. Going against my fucking rightness. I was so fucking right. And I let myself get shaken out and top ticked. So fucking stupid. So fucking stupid. I love being right and finding a way to fuck up anyway. It's amazing. Now I get to go back to fucking getting $1,200 every 5 days, maybe. Unless I blow these two. So fucking annoying, bro. Cajun. DB. How to add VWAP and Tradeday. You got to go to indicators. And then you go to explore community indicators. And then you type in, this is the one I use. It's just called VWAP. You don't even have to type it in because it's what everybody looks for when they come here to Tradeday. VWAP. God, I was so fucking annoyed. I'd be up like fucking $3,000. I'd be up like $3,000 in those accounts. Well, in that expert account, that one fucking account, I was up 800, gave back some. I got fucking stopped out. I was in short at 32.75. How fucking stupid. So stupid. I really need to trust myself more. It's just fucking, it's just inexcusable at this point. Coffee buff. Yeah, I let myself get shaken out like a fucking bitch. So fucking annoying. Gary, what up? My entry was at 32. Well, my average fill was at 32. So now watch the fucking bottom orb. Where are we at? Are we over the bottom orb? No, we're not. We're going to retest the bottom orb here. Fucking look, 786. It went down fucking 60 fucking points off the 786. So annoying, man. When that stops, I will be unstoppable. I am fucking inevitable. Fuck, man. So fucking annoying. I let myself get shaken out right here. One order was at 31, and then I added at fucking 35. And then I got taken out at 38. I let myself get taken out at 38. My average fill was 32.75. It drops fucking 62 points. And I fucking I went against it. That's like the last piece of the puzzle for me, because that's what I seem to still be doing. The only really fucking stupid thing I seem to still be doing. That's the last piece of the puzzle. I stopped doing that, and we're talking about me having a $3,000 day on my first day with an expert account. So fucking stupid. JP. AI trades. Why would I do that? F4. Yeah, Neil, but you know what, bro? I'm pretty fucking, when I see something, like I don't know, I see the charts pretty good. I just need to execute better. Abhishek, what up? Maybe exit this position? Nah, I'm just going to let it ride. I don't give a fuck. Maybe don't tell me how to fucking trade. No offense, bro. I don't listen to the fucking chat ever in terms of what I'm going to do. I live and die with my own fucking decisions. How hard can it be, Bo? Crypticon. Thank you, bro. Alexander. Yeah, Neil, for real. Yeah, I know I'm still the man. I don't even give a fuck what happens to these accounts. At this point, I don't even give a fuck. All I know is I got 3 Apex accounts that are on 3 days in after getting paid. I just got paid $6,000 on these. I have to activate these. I can't show you because I got to log in, but I had my flip day with my Take Profit Trader accounts. Those are on day 4. I have to activate my fucking Tradeday accounts, my funded Tradeday accounts. I'm 1 day away from getting $3,000 from Bolinox. So it's fine. It's just annoying. It's just frustrating because I was right. And I let myself get shaken out. And then I went against my rightness. This is the last fucking piece of the puzzle for me. Full port. I'm already full port. I'm as full port as I could be. I'm trading fucking 50K starter plus accounts. 3 is full port. Fuck. I'm fighting with the chart? No, I'm just fighting with myself, bro. I don't fight. I fight with myself. Clearly. Clearly. I literally said before that happened that if we could clear this level, where is it? After we clear this, the next level is down here, and then the VWAP. And look where we ended up. I fucking said it was going to happen. And what do? I don't fucking hold my trade. Like a little fucking bitch. The trend is my friend. John Q, you know the trend is not my friend. Tyson. How much margin does it cost? Nobody gives a shit about margin on prop firms. You just trade however many fucking contracts you can trade. ADL. Top Step X had a glitch today? Yikes. Oh, is that what fucking Chuck Boris Norris was talking about? Alfred, that's really what it is, bro. That's all it is. It's like, it's the same fucking shit. I'm just tired of doing this. I'm tired of making the same mistake. How many fucking times do I got to do the same fucking thing over and over again? You know what the definition of insanity is? Doing the same shit over and over again and expecting a different result. So what did I do? I was short. I was confident it was going to go down. I let myself get shaken out. I was worried that it was going to bounce, and I went against my rightness instead of just letting the fucking shit play out. Let it play out. Look, it dropped 60 fucking points. No, it wasn't 60. It was 40 points. 32.75 was where I was in my average entry. 42 fucking points. So 42 times 60, 2,500. I'd be up over $3,000. I'd be up over $3,000. Word on the streets. You think so, Neil? To fuck everybody out of their accounts? Aren't they going to have to give everybody new accounts anyway? D-Walk. What more jewelry? So it was a fucking project SlipX issue, not a prop firm specific issue. Rick. Nice job scalping NQ. Someone said, Jose Carlos, someone said someone else had an issue, though. K-Spec, what up? Nah, Zach's blaming Top Step because he hates them. JP, my day was going pretty good until I fucking went against my rightness and fucked my brand new expert account. Fucking goddamn. I'll just wait for the next 50% off sale or something and grab another one. I had fucking $3,000. It would have been $3,000. Fucking stupid. Complete funded account onboarding. Oh, that's all I got to do there? I'm so fucking pissed. So fucking pissed about this. Or at least it's the only funded account I fucked up. Tim Morgan, what up? Yeah, everyone is green. Yeah. Dagon Poker, what up? Yeah, that's the best, man. That's fucking great. What up, Faisal? Michael Anthony? Nestor, what's good? Yeah, you could trade until 4:59 p.m. Lost 2 pro accounts today. Yeah, exactly. You know what I'm learning from going against my rightness is to just hold my fucking trade. Holy shit. Michael Anthony. What, because of the glitch? You lost the account? I'm glad I traded last night then, because I didn't experience that shit. Coach Calvin. No, these are brand new. I got one yesterday because they had that flash sale, and I guess a rebuild came through. And then the expert is blown. The funded expert on day one. And it was a fucking, oh God, I'm fucking so fucking annoyed, bro. Valioku, I was right too, bro. I just let myself get shaken out. It had nothing to do with whether I was using the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, or 30. It had everything to do with my psychology. Best future signals, what up? The mistake was going against my rightness, bro. And that's something I'm working through. That's like the last real fucking hurdle I have towards being super fucking, being unstoppable. Being unstoppable with these, as a prop firm trader or as just a trader in general. Going against what I think is going to happen. Savvy. I do use the fibs. That's why I went short. We were approaching the fucking MOC candle. So, I don't know. Derek, it's okay. Don't worry. I'm at 7,000 for the month. I need one more fucking day and I'll be at 10,000. I got these 3 accounts on day 3. I already got paid on these. 2 more fucking days of $400 or $500. And I flip the rest of the way and I get another 6,000. I got these 3 accounts I have to activate from yesterday. I didn't activate them yet. I could take those to a payout. I got 2 fucking take profit trader accounts. Hold on. Let me log in so I can show you. For those that don't believe me, I don't know why anybody wouldn't believe me at this point, but you never know. There's new people here. A lot of people on YouTube are full of shit. So, when they hide their accounts, I don't hide shit. I don't give a fuck. All right. Here. Day 4. Day 4 on these. These are 25Ks. They're over the mark. I just need to flip one more day after today. What the fuck just happened? Oh, I ran out of time. Ran out of time. So that's how the day finishes with these. Just in time. Who the fuck is over here? We got the Fuck Trey Young group for these funded trade day accounts. Fuck Trey Young. Let's see if, are we going to come back to this wick? Or are we going to retest? Are we going to bounce off the VWAP? Guess we'll find out. Brand new funded trade day accounts. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? These fucking landscapers here, these fucking piece of shits. How hard can it be? Fucking loud as fuck. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some coffee. All right, walk away green. I come back red. Awesome. Fuck yeah. Eat away at my drawdown. Eat away at that drawdown. These are trade day accounts. Guess what? I didn't have to pay the activation fee. Yo, is that what? TT Ortiz, one stop trader. D Walk, JK, Derek Hughes, Tolman. Any good prop firm discounts? I'll tell you about all of them right now that I know of, that I fuck with. I'm trading these trade day accounts right now. I got these three. These are 50K intradays. I paid $59.40 for each of them. I passed them, and I didn't have to pay anything else. There's no activation fee right now. 40% off, no activation fee. End of day drawdown accounts are $99 right now. 50Ks at least. When you use the best fucking code. These are trailing, yeah. Storm, these are trailing. Because they were cheap as fuck. You know who else is 40% off? Because Trade Day wants to be just like them. Take Profit Trader is 40% off with no activation fee when you use the best fucking code ZERODAYJAY. Apex is 80% off. They extended that. They extended their 80% off for like more than 2 weeks. If you want to grab some Apex accounts, just so you know, I learned this yesterday. They raised the prices, but they didn't raise the wealth charts prices. Let me lock in some fucking gains here. I'm not playing with trailing drawdown. It's going to come back down just enough to fucking take me out. We all know it. Maybe it just keeps going straight up. But It's a good first day. I'm only in 2 in each account. I wish I was in 5. But so well charts did not go up in price. Well charts still cost the same. Tradeday went up a few bucks, and Rhythmic went up a little less than Tradeday went up. So like 80% off 50Ks used to be 33.40 across the board. Now it's 30. It's still the same for wealth charts, but it's 37.40 for Tradeday and like 35.40 for Rhythmic, as an example. So when you use the best fucking code, Coach Calvin, it's just almost like it's the same shit as Take Profit Trader. I need to get over the. I told you it was gonna come down. It always fucking does. It always fucking comes and takes me out. You got to clear 2,000. Anything over the buffer you can request. Eric Lake, what up? Trade day is basically the same as Take Profit Trader, but on the eval side, you have to trade for a minimum of 7 days instead of 5. And there's a consistency rule on the eval side that's 30% instead of 50. But you could pick if you have your choice of end of day, static, or intraday. Whatever you pick on the eval side is how it will be on the funded side. So you could, you know what I mean? These are end of day. These were intraday evals. I paid $59.40 for each 50K. Didn't pay an activation fee. And then their intraday now is funded as well. Yeah, there's no consistency rule on funded trade day account. They're literally Take Profit Trader Junior. I still think Take Profit Trader is better, but it's the same shit. Gabriel, what up? The best fucking codes. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Who else is doing? Bolinox is doing 91% off option 1, 50K or bigger. Yeah, I'm going to drop the link for the Discord in a couple of minutes. And then my fund of futures. What a fucking waste. I can't believe I fucking did that, man. You could get, if you haven't bought an account yet with my fund of futures this month, whether you're a new user or an existing user, you could get 50% off any type of account, any size, which I took advantage of that and grabbed that expert account. And I fucking passed it and I blew it being a dumb fuck. Not trusting what I saw on the chart. Not trusting my fucking trade. Cost me fucking, I mean, shit, I would have been up $3,000. I would have been up $3,000. And but after you get 50% off, then you could buy as many expert and starter plus accounts and get 15% off for the rest of the month using the best code ZERODAYJAY. Akshay. Yeah, it's fucking awful, bro. Classic. I want to break that fucking mold. I'm breaking that habit. I'm breaking that fucking bad fucking habit. How does the expert with my fund of futures work? You could pass in 1 day, and then you don't have to trade every day, but you could only request a payout once every 14 days. Once every 14 calendar days, you got to trade at least 1 or 2 days. I think it's 2 days, maybe 1. And you have to take out at least 1,000. There's $1,000 buffer. What up, Travis? Thanks, bro. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. It's the best code. I can't believe I'm still fucking pissed about what I just did. I'm so fucking annoyed. But at least we have 275 in these accounts. The chart's not even moving. Shit just stopped completely. Gabor, what up? Bye, Jason. Bye, Coffee Buff. Nice. Yo, actually, I saw your message. It's been so fucking busy. I will square up with you today. K. Soliman. Trade day is day 1 and daily. It's just like Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is still number one for me, but I like Tradeday. They pay. They've been around for a while. They're just not. They haven't been sexy because for the longest time, up until about a month ago, you could only trade with one account. Now you could trade with as many as 3 funded accounts, which I'm at the max, which is just like how Take Profit Trader used to be before they went to 5. And I think you could have as many as 6 evals. And I guess whatever you pass just stays on reserve, kind of like how Bolinox is. This going back down? I don't know. It's probably going to go up. I'm so annoyed. I'm so fucking annoyed. I really wanted to see what I could do with that expert account, and I fucked it up on the first day. I could have, you know, got back in the shorts because that's what I thought was going to happen, but I'm just an idiot, man. Sometimes I just fucking do dumb shit. That's the last fucking hurdle. It's the last hurdle. Once I fucking stop doing that, I'm telling you, I'm going to be fucking unstoppable. Oh, Apex is forcing 2-factor authentication right now. God damn it. I wanted to activate my accounts. I'm not doing the 2FA right now. I guess I'm not activating these accounts until tomorrow's session. These other accounts that I passed these yesterday. I'm really excited about these Bolinox accounts. I need one more fucking day. One more day. I don't think any of these count as a flip day. Hey, any Bolinox experts in here? Would any of these days be considered a flip day? I would say no, right? Oh, someone asked about the Discord. If you want to join the best community on these prop firm streets, where the DCA gang hangs out, the Degen fam, the white trash Degen treehouse is located here. If you want to participate in the Focused Degenerate Program to counteract the Focused Trader Program that Top Step rolled out, which limits people to how many accounts they could have. They have to ask permission for the one account they're allowed to trade. If you need a place to go to talk about it, or just to not have to ask anybody permission for fucking anything, and you want to spend your money however the fuck you feel like it, come join me in the Discord and participate in the Focused Degenerate Program. There's the link right there. There it is right there. Free to join for now. Yeah. Yup, 6 evals, 3 funded. So if you pass any of those other evals, they just probably sit and wait to be activated, kind of like Bolinox. Yo, Tradeday is really fucking salty about whatever happened between them and Top Step. Lost 50 points in a 20-point range. Whoa, you just getting fucking yo-yoed around? That's always fun. Ugh, that's the worst, bro. I bet you were right about what you thought was going to happen, but you got sucked into the bullshit. Never traded Bolinox. You know, here's the thing about Bolinox. Like, you see, look how much money. Well, this account, like, look at this account. This account has $4,900 in profit, right? The leader. The follower has 5,290. If this was Take Profit Trader, I'd be requesting that money. I would have taken that money already. I would have taken the money on. I was over the buffer on like day 4, or I think on these accounts. Yeah, let's see. 9, 17, 18. Yeah, after day 3, after the 3rd day, I was over the buffer. I would have taken that money and then just kept trading. Trade. You know what I mean? I just kept taking money. But I played a game. I keep it mixed. I like to mix it up. I have never gotten a payout from Bolinox. I am one fucking trade day away from getting $3,000 from Bolinox. And then I could say I got paid from every prop firm I've ever traded with. They're the last one. They're the last domino to fall. So I'm fucking determined. There it is. I'm on day 4 with this one. Got a ways to go. 6 more days. How hard can it be? But look, this today, the $649 I got today pushed me over what would have been a take profit trader buffer. You know what I'm saying? If this was take profit trader, I'd be like, I'll take 451, and then I'll have another, and then I'll have 2,000 in drawdown to work with the next trading day. Can't do that with Bolinox. But I need to develop my skills as a trader. I want to be able to grow accounts over time, over a 10-day period if I have to. I want to be able to do that. So that's why I fuck with them. That's one of the reasons why, obviously. Talk. John, I'm already copy trading, bro. They're in a group called Fuck Trey Young. I should change that to Suck My Dick, Trey Young, but we'll keep it that way. Just ain't right. Didn't you just have funded take profit traders? Yeah. No, I know what you mean, bro. You just want to be able to do it in one day or even one trade. Good board. They have, dude, they got to make money somehow. They got to make money somehow. Roberto, what's up? Roro, what's going on? Trader is salty as fuck. You have 7 in the waiting list. Oh, with Bolinox? Drifter. Savvy's your daughter's name? Very cool. Was it like Savannah? Very nice name. Very nice name. Ian Connor. Apex is trailing on everything. Ah, just ain't right. Bing bong. Tartarian, what up? Yo, you know about Tartaria? Every time I look at fucking mountains out here in Vegas, I'm like, you know what I'm looking at. You know what I'm thinking in my head. Apex trails you in the bathroom. Oh my God. I might let Darrell hang out in the pool again. Now that I got another payout, I might let him come back. You know, let him straddle the swan in my pool, the swan floaty in his thong. You were born in Tartaria, no doubt. Mulberry Beach. The roadmap. The roadmap is pass your eval. Right now, if you use the best fucking code, ZERODAYJAY. Hold on, let me move all this shit out of the way. Let's move all this shit out of the way. When you use the best code, ZERODAYJAY, this shit is still in the fucking way. All right. When you use the best code, you'll get 40% off any size test account. The activation fee will be waived if and when you pass. You'll get a credit. All you got to do is get to the profit target, but there's a 50% consistency rule. So you can't have any one of your days during the eval period be be more than 50% of your total profit. And it's 5 days minimum. You don't have to do it in 5 days. You have to do it in as little as 5 days. Once you pass, they'll give you a funded account, and then you work towards a payout. Once you get over these buffers, depending on what size account you have, once you get over the buffer, anything over the buffer you can request. You could have as many as 5 pro accounts. You could get paid on day 1, something I've done a bunch of times now. You could get paid daily, something I've also done a bunch of times. All the rules that all these other prop firms have don't apply to take profit trader. No consistency rule on funded accounts. No 30% drawdown rule. No fucking risk to reward ratio rule. No scaling contract rule. No DCA rule. No micro scalping rule. You can bracket trade. You could have inconsistent position sizes. You could gamble the opening range breakout. You could trade earnings. Just don't trade red folder events like CPI, non-farm payroll, FOMC. If you trade crude oil, don't trade during crude oil inventories. If you trade bond-related shit, don't trade bond auctions. Oh, look, it's back over where I got fucking stopped out. Let's see how far up it's going to go. Use the best code. My link's in the description below. Click on the link. I'll drop it in the chat again to learn more about the different account sizes. I like the 25 and 50Ks. There's no daily loss limit anymore. I used to hate those account size. Well, I used to hate the 25s more than anything. I've just had the most success with the, oh my God. Ugh. It's up 5 points from where I got taken out. It curled back up. Here's the link. Here's the link for Take Profit Trader. Kuzurayu. What are you asking about? What prop firm? Yo, Daddy, what up? The best fucking code if you want to support the channel is ZERODAYJAY. Best. You can't have any one of your days with Apex be 30%, more than 30% of your total profit on a funded account. So what kind of windfall are you talking about? Did you have that happen? Just do the math. Let's say you had a $1,500 day, divide by 0.30 or by 0.3. Now you have to grow that account to 5,000 to be eligible for a payout. Make sense? What up, Stephen C? What about? Oh, can you show the buffer? Oh, my bad. Sorry, guys. Forgot about that. My big head. I didn't want to block the. Let me fix the chart. There we go. Motherfucker. All right. The 25K has a $1,500 buffer. The 50K has a $2,000 buffer. The 75K has a $2,500 buffer. The 100K has a $3,000 buffer. And the 150K has a $4,500 buffer. Anything over that, you can request. Get over it. Request. Get back over it. Request. You literally do it every single fucking day. Yvonne, what up? How hard can it be? Who did? Oh, Apex? Yeah. You can't fucking... Yeah, you probably accidentally added. Yeah, no problem, Stephen C. If you end up using the best code, I appreciate it. If not, don't worry. We're still cool. Don't worry. We're cool no matter what. I appreciate you. Hawk. Oh, I thought you were saying you said goodbye to me, but I didn't say it back. I was going to say goodbye, Hawk. The rules aren't that bad once you get used to trading in there. Just don't violate the rule. But yeah, the fucking Steven, yeah, that shit happens, bro. You accidentally add to a trade and you're already over the max, you're over halfway. I think at some point though, I forgot how much profit you have to be in. You could actually scale up. But I just stay with what I usually trade. I'm trading most of the time three minis with a 50K. 2 or 3. Today I did 2 with these. Trying to be a little more conservative. Trying to get to a second payout. Look at this shit go. Oh, I can't fucking believe it. I'm so fucking pissed. It got taken out. I got taken out at 23,008. It's up 8 more points. And I was in 2. So that would have been another $300. Amazing. Let's see if it comes up here. No, just Kuzu Ryu, just grow the account big enough. You might have to, it might take you more than 8 days. If you're going to just do $200 or $300 a day, it's definitely going to take you 8 days. So if you do 3,000 divided by 0.3, you got to grow the account to 10,000 in profit before you can request. What a fucking pump. Damn, bro. 10 points. 10 points from where I got stopped out. Let me see something. Let me look at something. Watch this. I bet it bounced off the 707 or the 786. 786. Just about. Look at that. Right off the 786. And then it popped and then rejected here. Well, you know, pulled back a little bit and then bounced off the 618. Amazing. Oh my God, I just missed getting filled. Short. You're under review again? Well, what happened? Kuzu Ryu, if you have one of those days, right? Let's say you had a $3,000 day and then you get to 4,100 on a 50K, you get to max payout land and you request, you're going to get denied. But you just grow the account bigger. Just grow the account bigger. That's all. And then when it's big enough, right? When you trade your way out of the violation, out of the consistency rule violation, then you request. A tall man. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support, man. Thank you. Are you in the Discord? I don't remember. I dropped the link before. You guys should all join the Discord and hang out in the best community on these prop firm streets. The Focused Degenerate Program lives there. Top Step rolled out the Focused Trader Program, limited me to one account. I got to ask for permission. I don't need fucking permission. I just won't trade with them anymore, which is unfortunate because I like trading with them. Yeah, PW did just get a fat fucking payout. What up, Bach? Haven't seen you in a while. What are you doing? Hanging out with other streamers? Travis breaking the rules. Alfred. We got a direct line to Darrell. Let's tell Darrell that Travis broke the rule. No problem, Kuzu Ryu. You're at the same P&L on your 3P of me as me? Uh-oh. Going against my rightness. I mean, look at that fucking pump. I just figured like this would be a good spot for a rejection. I guess not. This might be the better spot. Whatever. It's such a, I mean, all I had to do was just stay in my long. Again, it's like the same. This is different though. This is different. It's not the same. I let myself get shaken out. It came down. But look, it went up another fucking 12 points. That'd be 480. I'd be up like 700 something bucks. I do think we're going to pull back here. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. We got the 5-minute 21 right here. We got the 200 right here. Let's see. Let's draw a happy little Fibonacci here. We're right at this. We're just about at the 618. You were in the Philippines, no doubt. Jay snitching. I'm telling on you, Travis. Or Jean, what up? How big was the account? Hey, what's the worst that could happen? That's the only way you could clear out one of those 30% drawdown rule violations anyway. You've been getting hella payouts with them, right? Corey, what up? Feel like every time you come, like, how big was the how much did you have on the account before you went down 3,000? I think once you get to a certain level, it goes from 30% to 50%. D-Walk, you're at 24,270 on the 25K. That's all right. Don't worry about what day it's on. Just get the account, roll the account. Forget about the days, bro. At this point, all that matters is you get out from under that little deficit and go fucking and go green, and then you could make a push. Oh, another great job by me. Hey, what's wrong with just holding for another 16 points in the long I was in before? I would have been fucking 64 bucks. 640 bucks. Man. Uh-oh. Rut row. How hard can it be to just hold? We bounced off the fucking VWAP. We'll see. Whatever. Let's see what I can do here. I'm going to retest this 5-minute 21 here, the EMA. Neil, they must have. Yeah, how are they getting your? How are they getting your email address? Just ain't right. They're funded Tradeday accounts. They're 50K Tradeday accounts. And again, I'm just going against my rightness again. But I don't know. I feel like this is a decent spot for a pullback. But I wasn't long here. Got shaken out, and then it fucking pumped. Just from my fucking where I got taken out, it went up 17 points. 7 money bag, yo. Twan on. Trade day. These are the 3 funded accounts. I paid $59.40 for these 50Ks and no activation fee. And you can too when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. My link's in the description below. That's all right, Orjan. It's all part of the fucking process. Rangat boy. Can you stack up profits on a prop firm and use it as drawdown? Of course. You just got it. Some prop firms have consistency rules, so you got to make sure you are not violating the consistency rule before you request a payout. It depends on the prop firm. You certainly can with Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, no penalties there. Oh my God, keep going down, please. Granny, please. Take me out of 3 of these, and I'll see if I can hold a runner. K-Spec, what's the rules on what? On Trade Day? Very similar. It's almost identical to Take Profit Trader. You just have to trade for more days on the eval side, 7 days instead of 5, and the consistency rule is 30% instead of 50%. I just got taken out of 1. Is that it? Yo, it fucking flashed down and then popped. Has it got more in the tank? How many am I in now? 2, 3. Hit it. Hit more. Take me out of more. This is an interesting spot right here. I might trail this shit just to lock in gains. I'm almost back to my full drawdown too. I'm on trail. These accounts are trailing. Yeah, see? That's what I was worried about. Drop more, biatch. Biatch. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. Come on, Billy. Come on, Billy. You could get down there. Do it for the stream. Oh. Come on. Take me out of another one. Oh, my God. It came right here like 3 times. Fuck, man. I feel like I'm going to get shaken out here. Oh. Keep going. Clear that bullshit. Clear it. Clear it. Oh, I came in here because the landscapers were here. Hit that shit. Oh my God. It's right on the fucking line. you kidding me right now? Is this really going to happen? Now, one more. One more. Do it for the stream. Do it for the fucking stream, yo. Ronnie. Nice first day, huh? Not a bad first day. Oh, go down more. Oh, the 34. And then we ride the last one as far down as we could get it. Let it go. All right, I'm going back to the west wing of the house, okay? The west wing of the small dick house. Back in the layer. Come on, hit that shit. Let's go. Hit it, then quit it. Let's go. Look where it rejected. Right off the 618. There's something to those Fibonacci's. They're happy little Fibonacci's. Come on, one more. Come on. Oh my God, it wants to so bad. You know you want to. Remember, you got to close out your trades before the day closes with trade day, just like Take Profit Trader. Yo, Jay Stores. The travel. Yeah. So here's my travel vlog. Alfred. Yo, what up, Thanos? Tickle. Benny. Coach Fred. Losing respect for the price action. Yeah, what Thanos said. Pawn. Yeah, like this right here. I would love it to go here and come back down to the VWAP. We're just running out of time. I look like I need some good coffee. Uh-oh. If it came down to the 34 SMA right here, I'm probably gonna get taken out. I just feel it. That's fine. We're at six. Whatever happens here, if I get taken out, I'll be up $650 or something like that. That's a good first day. What do you think? We didn't get a day one payout, but I didn't trade for a day one payout. I traded more conservative. Although I was in 4. It ended up being 4. Yeah, I'm going to get taken out. Maybe not. Benny. Yeah, they used to. They made some adjustments. You used to be able to only need 2,500 to pass, but they bumped it up. They had to make those adjustments so they could absorb more accounts being traded at the same time. Because yeah, I knew that was going to happen. All right, oh man, I thought I was going to be at 650. All right, well, whatever. Watch it come down more. I don't know. This might be, yeah. See these nuts. You know what? I'm done. $636 day one. I'll take it. Not that it matters. I'm not counting days, but it's the first day of having them. And it's better than doing what I did in this fucking expert account, even though I was right. I was right, and I went against my rightness. Once I get that, once I stop doing that, and I'm in the process of eliminating that from my fucking thought process completely. Once I get rid of that, I will be fucking unstoppable. Yeah, this is probably going to go lower, but whatever. 636 on trade day accounts. Once I get over the buffer, I can request money. Yoshi, what up? On Tradeday, I think it's like they want you out like 10 minutes before, I think. but I think you could go to like the very last minute. But I wouldn't risk it. But look, here we go. It's going back down. Look, I got taken out at 24. No, at 17, 25. It came up to 7. Literally came up. I literally got top ticked by the fucking NQ again. Jesus Christ, man. On that last contract I had. Whatever. I wrote that shit down from 24. But here we go. I almost got back in short, too. I did. I really, really did. I really, really did, guys. I am the expert. Yeah, I got experted by the NQ. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, on the 5 minute. Yeah. Maybe, but we're running out of time. We are running out of time. And there's some levels of support here. We got these candles kissing right here. We got these wick, this candle, this wick, all this shit. We're like kind of in a spot where it could bounce. DBT, thank you, sir. Sergio, what up? Norman Fagan. Nah, bro. If you're feeling like that, just know, and you have to believe it though, just know that you're like right on the edge of having a breakthrough, a major breakthrough. But I understand, man. This shit could be fucking frustrating as all hell. Corey, you just got to reach out to them. Makuziri, what up? Thank you. Pawn wishes yeah. Who knows? It might open that way too. It just might continue down on the when we reopen in an hour from now. But yeah, here we go. I need to do a better job at where I place my trailing stops, because this happens very often, and I want it to stop. You know what I mean? It's another 120 points, $120 from where I got taken out. It'd be 750, but it's not. It's just annoying. Tradeday has no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. And they're kind of sneaky. They enter into the field where you put someone's code in, whether it's mine or anybody else's you want to support. They default their in-house code. And just so you know, all of these prop firms' in-house codes are dog shit. My code is the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm streets and the degen data. I have no actual data, but that's besides the point. It's just bad. I don't know. I don't care if you use mine or not. It's just bad juju to use the fucking. They're basically trying to overwrite their own the people that are fucking out there building their fucking client base, their customer base. So fuck that. Use my code or anybody else's code. I don't care whose code you use. But mine is the best in the world. The most exclusive, the biggest, the largest. Look at that. 7 fucking points. 7 points down. But I'm cool with that. I got almost all of my drawdown, right? Almost all of my drawdown. I'm in a good spot with these accounts. The best fucking code. That's right. All right, be good, Travis. Thanks for popping in, man. Chuck Boris Norris. Bro, you're running out of fucking time. You know, it's funny. I saw at least this candle happening, and I fucking let myself get shaken out. Look at this. 8 points now. 8 points. I'm so annoyed. Whatever. It's just part of the process. You can't get all of it all of the time. How am I up 600 and down daily drawdown? Because I was up $78 more in this trade that I was in. The last trade before I got taken out here, I was up $78 more. So it's trailing, McLovin. So it basically, it's intraday. So from wherever, it doesn't matter where you're at, it starts going against you. If the trade goes against you, the trailing goes against you with it. Jonathan. Yeah, I still think take profit trader is better, but in terms of, you know, dollar for dollar, you could take out more money. You could get more payouts from take profit trader before you get pushed into live, or before you have to reach out and say, how am I doing? You know what I mean? You could definitely go much further with before having to be pushed into a live with take profit trader. But these are $59.40, and I paid no activation fee. I was all in with each of these accounts for $59.40 because I chose intraday. Their end of day is $99. $99 for end of day 50Ks. Obviously, they have different sizes and all that. Yeah, Alfred. Yep. I get it, bro. I will, you know, maybe the next time through. Let's see if I can take these to payouts. I'm so used to trading with trailing, with intraday trailing. I trade with Apex and take profit trader. You know what I mean? Apex is always fucking going to be intraday, unless they make new product offerings. But I'm so used to it with Apex and take profit trader. You know what take profit trader did do? They did get rid of intraday on their Pro Plus. So if you ever get to the point where you got a live account with them, it's end of day with that. And I've had people comment on my videos when I talk about it, say, well, you have all that buffer, so it doesn't even matter. Yeah, try fucking being in intraday and then falling under the buffer and tell me if it matters. It will matter. You lose enough money, it will start to matter when it's intraday. So that's a big difference. Yeah, trail, and yeah, once you get over the buffer, it's static. So I just need to get over the buffer. My goal with these accounts, the ones that you could get paid daily once you're over the buffer, is request whatever's over the buffer and just run it back and do it again as often as possible. I will have, what's today, Thursday? So I will have these two 25Ks on Monday or Sunday night. I'll be able to shoot my shot with these two. Today's day 4. I need one more day, one more flip day. One tariff candle, absolutely, bro. Subi guy, what up? Yeah. You got to be careful with the intradays. You got to, because like if let's say I was long here, right? Let's say I was long here. Let's say I started at the VWAP and I go long, and I have my trailing stop here. Let's say I lose, 9, I lose fucking 15 points worth of drawdown, depending on the size of the account, even though it's a winning trade. That's where the intraday could come back to bite you. So you got to kind of trail tight. You got to trail it more tight. You got to keep it tight, keep it trailing tight like a V. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, absolutely, Thanos. You gotta be tight. You gotta trail tight. But yeah, my link's in the description. Roberto. I might get back on for Asia. I don't know. I am making an effort to trade more. To stream more. I want to get back to how often I couldn't stream earlier today. I just didn't have time. Because I've been streaming a lot during like the earlier portion of New York, like in the morning for me before I do my power hour stream. But I had physical therapy. I had this, that, and the other thing I had to take care of. And then whatchamacallit. But yeah, I streamed 3 times yesterday. I streamed earlier during New York, I streamed during power hour, and then I streamed during Asia. But I'm always on for power hour. So if you want to come hang out, guys, some of you guys that are new here that have never been here before, I stream every single day for power hour 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. And then I stream at other times just as random whenever I hop on. I try to stream at least twice a day. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Join the Discord too. Join the fucking Discord where the DCA gang hangs out, the DGen fam. We are closing in on 1,400 members. Just ain't right. Is TopStep running any sale? The only sale that they are running right now is if you just started using their new dashboard, you get like 25% off any type of account 3 times. They want me to stream 24/7 like the Truman Show. How do you know that's not already happening? You just guys don't get to see it all. Any sales on their jackets? I want that. I want the Happy Gilmore jacket. Hot shot. Top set credit you 200 in your account for a slip X problem. That's cool. Alfred. Yeah. Lots of tightened buttholes during trading these fucking intraday trade days and take profit traders. Elmi, there was some issue. There was a glitch with Project SlipX. And a lot of people lost their accounts. Do people help? Hawk, the Discord, I don't want to make any promises or guarantees, but I am very confident that if you hang out in there long enough, it will make you a better trader. And it's free for now. There are some fucking beasts in there. Absolute savages in there. Despite what some fucking clown-ass motherfucker said about the ZERODAYJAY Discord being a place where we could all jerk each other off and we're all white trash, it's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Anybody who's in there and hangs out on a regular basis will fucking agree with me when I say that. It's not even a question. We got people with their own fucking Discords hanging out in my Discord. That's how fucking good it is. Pine Tree. Yeah, we do. Sometimes we do jerk each other off. You know, we play tummy sticks in there. The ladies like to watch. There's some lovely ladies in there. You know, it's fun. We have fun in there. Vince is going for a 20K. Fuck yeah, bro. All right, be good, Neil. I'm out too. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Join the best community on these prop firm streets. Use the best code if you got to grab any Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Fund the Futures, Tradeday, or Bolinox accounts. And I will see you guys soon. All right? Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace!